Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change Jeep Grand Cherokee air filter, only way. Start with safety. Park on level ground, set the parking brake, and open the hood. Locate the airbox near the engine and visually inspect the filter for dirt or damage. Gather tools like a screwdriver and gloves, and keep the old filter for comparison. These simple steps save time and prevent mistakes when you replace the filter. With the hood open and tools ready, remove the airbox cover by unfastening clips or screws and lifting gently. Watch for any hoses or sensor connectors and set them aside without pulling. Take the old filter out slowly, noting how it sits so you can match orientation when installing the new one. Keep the airbox clean with a soft cloth and inspect the intake pathway for leaves or debris before inserting the replacement. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to help me make more car videos. Quick recommendation. A book called The Simple Path to Wealth changed how many people think about money and habits, and it pairs well with saving on maintenance costs like filters. Check the description for the link and other deals, and thank you for supporting the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Fit the replacement filter into the airbox, making sure the seal seats evenly, and the filter faces the same way as the old one. Reposition the airbox cover and reconnect any hoses or sensors you moved earlier. Secure all clips or screws firmly, but do not over-tighten, and reconnect the negative battery terminal if you disconnected it. Finally, start the engine to confirm normal idle and listen for unusual air noises before closing the hood.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.